the standard. Carlos, how you doing? Great to see you. This is amazing. This is so exciting. I mean, wow, I really love it. It just feels exciting and energetic and young and everything I knew it was going to be. It's the standard.
It's the standard. You know, everything is cool and the colors and the vibe is exactly what you're going to have in the building.
You know, Carlos, you're really bringing to Midtown what it needs. Something that has energy and excitement. And my God, it's going to be exactly what the standard stands for. Yeah. You know, a new way of living.
I think that's what Midtown is. You know, it's its own neighborhood. It's a pocket in Miami. It has been master planned from the beginning, from day one. It has all this fantastic ground floor activation of a lot of people that generates a lot of foot traffic and feels very secure. We are 2 steps away from the design district and 3 steps away from Wynwood.
And right by the airport, right by the highway. You know, the proximity of Midtown to everything is perfect. And to have your vision and your experience putting together this product for the standard residences really gives people a lot of comfort in knowing that the dream will not even be as good as the reality. You know,
and your team.
Thank you. Listen, I've always wanted to work with you. I'm honored. This looks amazing. Look at the model. It's just so cool.
Yeah,
you know, it takes me back.
And we made a big effort, you know, to add terraces, livable spaces to a great building. You know, we have the great advantage of having parking already built, and this is going to be a project that probably is going to take us 18-20 months to finish. Yeah. So again, from an execution perspective, you know, and from a location, I think it's the best of both worlds. You know, buyers here are buying an incredible brand, an incredible location, and they have already the parking that is existing. But I think everything, you know, Arquitectonica did an amazing job conceptualizing this idea of living in Midtown. All the ground floor is retail, so all the idea of that's going to be full of restaurants. We have a lobby that is on the street at grade level that reacts and interacts with the street. And most of the amenities that are street facing are the public amenities. We have a fantastic gym on the 2nd floor. We have an incredible lounge on the 3rd floor, and we have some cool, interesting amenities. You know, this is the first time that there is an indoor pickleball disco court. And of course, a fantastic rooftop that sort of replicates a little bit the lifestyle of the pool deck at the Standard in Miami Beach. You know, we try to improve on different rooftop experiences. We have a fantastic pool with its own spa and an incredible restaurant, covered restaurant that replicates the Lido at the Standard in Miami Beach.
You know, it's a perfect collaboration. It has Rosso Development, the Standard Hotel brand, an incredible location, and the incorporation of all the great elements of lifestyle that people that live here want. I can't wait to see it go up. When are you breaking ground?
We're starting soon. In April, we will break ground probably towards the end of the month, but everything is lined up. You know, we have the sales, we have the loan, we have the construction, so we're moving forward.
It's really, it's a realization of urban living in a way that I don't think has ever been done before. And I think it's the first standard residence and the first Carlos Rosso project.
Yeah. My full attention has been on this baby.
Yeah.
So moving forward, and it has been an incredible success, and thank you.
Thanks, Carlos.